Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty I'm a Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways and spoilers. And today we are having an unboxing and a giveaway for you. We are unboxing from the Fab Fit Fun Spring Sale, their mystery bundle, and one of the items we're giving away to one of you yet. I love mystery bundles. It's a way that FabFitFun sends you usually 4 items. One of the items in can sometimes be in a set of things, like a set of lip glosses or something. So it bumps it up to more items. But I've always had them where there's 4 items in there, and I think it's supposed to have over $100 value in them. So I've had some really good ones. I've had some okay ones, and I've had some really bad ones. So I can't wait to find out what's in here. Okay, so speaking of giveaways, so like I said, we're going to give away one of the items in here. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're going to need to know, and be subscribed. So every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia palette. I'll put a link for that one in the description box down below. It'll take you to that giveaway as well as my many others I've got going on, and some of them are ending pretty soon. So make sure you jump on those if you haven't already. As far as what I have on my eyes, I'm working on a project right now for you guys from Colande Cosmetics. And the star of the show, I mean, look at that blue, purple, green. Finger swatches are the best on these so you guys can see. But I mean, just look at that. It is stunning. So pretty. It was just gorgeous. So pretty. And then I complemented that shadow with the ColourPop Blue Moon palette. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you'd like to check them out. I'll put that in the description box down below for you. It saves you some money, and it saves me some money on future purchases that I want to make from them. So if you use it, I appreciate it. Obviously, there's no obligation to do so. I do also have some starter boxes to give away, and how the starter boxes work is unfortunately FabFitFun right now only ships to the US, Canada, and the United Kingdom. So you need to make sure you live in one of those countries. And how it works is you give me your name and your email address. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email, and they say, hey, Christina recommended you for the starter box. And all you have to do is pay for shipping, and it's valued at over $75. So that's a really good deal. You do sign up for the FabFitFun service. You do have 21 days to cancel that service if you'd like to. But I love FabFitFun. I've been a member of them for years. Absolutely love it. There's makeup, there's skincare, there's lifestyle, there's all sorts of really interesting finds, and you try things out that you never would have tried before. So love it. And you get stuff at a really good deal, which is another bonus. So like I said, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, and when you get your season box, you can add on other products to it as well. One of the items that I did add on is the mystery bundle, and so they shipped me a mystery bundle. It's $29, valued hopefully at over $100. So let's dive in, find out what we got, find out what we're giving away to one of you. So the first item that I got is a travel set from Draper James. It does have an eye mask, hand cream, and lip balm. This is the Gingham Sleep Set. So the set includes an eye mask, rose hand cream, and tinted moisturizer. The eye mask is 100% polyester. It's 7.5 inches by 4.5 inches by 0.2 inches. It does retail for $20. So yeah, definitely more on the travel size here. I mean, look how big the lip balm, hand cream, and then here is your cute little eye mask with elastic on the back. So that's a cute little set. So I also got from Spongel. It's kind of an all-in-one beauty treatment. It is the, it's not coming out. It is their body wash infused buffer. And it says, our beloved coconut verbena fragrance, adorned in a charming gift box, elevates any bathing ritual. Be transported to heavenly oasis, be dazzled by juicy coconuts and sun-kissed lemons. Glides along our hydrating bath sponge to soothe and buff in a dreamy soft complexion every time. Smells like coconut cocktail infused with a burst of citrus. It feels like a vacation in a box. I love these things, and they start out really rough, and you know, it's really good for exfoliating the skin, and then the more you use them, the softer it gets. And I find that these usually last me about 2 months. They say it's good for like 14 washes, but mine usually last me about 2 to 3 months. So, and these do retail for $16. So the next product in here is from Laneige. It is their Purify face wash, retailing for $58. Massage Purify onto dry or damp skin. Use warm water and a sea sponge if desired to lather and rinse clean of makeup, dirt, and other environmental pollutants. May be used morning and night. Purify may also be used as a weekly mask. Apply to dry skin and leave for 3 to 10 minutes before rinsing. Contains ingredients known to neutralize free radicals, tone sagging skin, increase circulation, suppress bacteria, and prevent and treat skin conditions such as psoriasis and acne. So this sounds really, really cool. Secret word, travel. So my last product is from Akar Skin. It is their Pure Lip Restoration, retailing for $30. And it is a lightweight, creamy, mineral oil-free lip treatment guaranteed to provide instant hydration for dry skin everywhere. The beeswax base seals in moisture and nutrients from almond seed and baobab seed oils and make lips soft, full, and supple. Antioxidants from rose and orange fight off sun-induced oxidative stress and lessen the appearance of lines. Our versatile lip butter has a pleasing floral tea scent and is made of 100% pure plant-based ingredients. Say goodbye to chapped and cracking for good. Here's what the packaging looks like. Here's what this looks like. Ooh, I think this would feel really, really good. I'm just putting it on my hand because I was thinking a bunch of lipstick on right now. This would be, I love keeping something like this on my bedside table at night. And that way I put it on right before I go to sleep. So love that. So total of the box was $124. I mean, you almost got $100 more than what I spent for it. So pretty good deal. So it was a good box. I mean, there's definitely some things that I really do like. I think I thought it was pretty good. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. The more people that like, the more people that comment, the more YouTube recommends the videos. So if you can help me out with that. And then also my biggest thing is the watch time minutes. If you can help me out with that, that would be greatly appreciated. So let's give away, I'm thinking the travel set. I mean, you get your mask, you get a lip product and the hand cream. Let's do this. I already have an eye mask, so I am happy to pass this on to one of you, and hopefully we can all get to traveling soon. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed, and then also put on it that secret word. Let's have this giveaway go through April 11th, and then it'll be April 11th, Mountain Standard Time at midnight. And then on April 14th, I'll go ahead and pick the winner. We'll do that spin the wheel. You guys seem to like it when we do that way. Now you can put in there if you have extra bonus entries. How do you get extra bonus entries, you may ask? Is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. Like I said, I'm really trying hard to grow the channel here. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. Make sure that giveaways are valid in your country. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you because I love being a little ray of sunshine for you guys. You guys must be 18 years or older in order to enter or have your parents' permission. Do not put that secret word in the comments down below or your entry will be deleted. I'll try and make it fair for everybody. If you have not joined us and subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun group here. No drama, not any of that other stuff. We are all about supporting one another and just a really fun group. Make sure that your notifications, you hit that bell and mark all, so that way you do know when we do upload a new video. That way you do know when we do giveaways, because you want to be on top of that. And I have some amazing giveaways and we do them all the time here, so you want to make sure that you are subscribed and check that out. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you watching them. Like I said, I'm trying to grow the channel here and I gotta get those watch time minutes up. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.